Hi guys, so I finally learned how to separate egg yolk from egg white, and it is super easy. This method, no equipment required, so all you need is your egg. So now you're going to break the egg gently and you're going to separate the shells from each other. So yeah, you're going to use one broken shell to remove the egg yolk from the other shell. So you're going to carefully and gently do that. As you're doing that, you're going to separate the yolk from the white. As you can see with what I did, you could see the egg white separate from the egg yolk. So I'm going to do it again in case you didn't catch it, so that you see it better. So you crack your egg open gently, then you gently separate the shells from each other. So after that, you're going to get one broken part of the shell and you're going to use it to remove the egg yolk from the egg white gently. So what you can see dropping here is the egg white. So you're going to now use the other shell to like remove the yolk from the egg white gently, because most times you will still have more egg whites inside, not all the whites will drop. So you have to gently remove it, and it is that easy, it is that simple. I've tried using plastic container, and trust me, I messed I messed everything up. But this one is super easy. Actually, you don't need anything at all. Like, you don't need nothing. So as you can see, it is neat, it is clean, but I am not too good with maintaining the shape of the yolk yet. But still, I did a good job. And if you can see, or as you can see, the egg white has no egg yolk in it. Like, it is super clean. And the second egg I broke, the egg yolk is still intact. So yeah, I did a good job. So yes, this is how to easily separate your egg yolk from your egg white without using any instrument at all, without using anything. All you need is just your egg. So let us know what you think about this video in the comment section. Do you know how to separate egg yolk from egg white before? Because to me this is work, like serious work. But now finally I know how to do it. So let us know in the comment section. Do you know how to separate egg yolk from egg white, or have you learned something new today? I would love to know in the comment section. So what do you think about this video? Please do not forget to like, do not forget to comment, and do not forget to subscribe if you've not. Feel free to join our family, and feel free to take a tour on our channel. We have so many interesting contents. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you on our next video and all of our videos. Have an amazing day. Bye.